Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys one-handed mode guys, how to use on Motorola mobile. Friends, you want to use your one-handed mode settings, okay, how to use it today friends I will show you, I will tell you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you want to look at this 100 setting. Friends, you can see this 100 mode settings, okay, how to on and use this 100 mode on Motorola phone. Today friends I will show you in this video. So friends, you want to use, friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So where there is 100 mode setting on Motorola mobile, friends, click on this assistant setting, intelligent assistant, friends, tap here, friends, scroll it, friends, 3 finger screenshot you can on from here. Lift to wake means guys raise to wake you can on from here. Friends, you can see one-handed mode means single hand mode means one-handed, so guys tap here. So your one-handed is off, so I first on, and guys you can see how to use. So right and left side guys you can swipe, so you can use the one-handed mode setting on your Motorola phone. So why we call it one-handed mode guys, we can use our phone with one hand, and guys blank area guys tap to full screen, and guys left side guys when you will swipe, and you can use your one-handed mode with your left hand. So like that we can on, and guys we can use 100 mode setting on Motorola phone, and guys blank area screen will full screen will set. Again guys swipe right side, and guys left side you can use guys this 100 mode setting. And friends, you don't want to use 100 mode, so friends click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, direct search here guys single setting guys. Friends, you can see single mode setting, and get direct friends you can search 100 mode. So guys click here, and friends direct friends we will of the setting. After of guys screen will not short, tap here. As you can see now we cannot use this 100 mode setting right and left side you want to use, so again guys tap here and you can use it. So like that we can use 100 mode setting on Motorola phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.